I'm out trying to resurrect or to start up some cars. I have to do something with some help. The poor Jaguar standing here, just have to try to start it up. Just trying to put in the key here, and it's actually opening things. That was quite not what I believed. I haven't been started for a very long time. Still we have power. Where do we open the back? There. You can see. We have power to... What? That's crazy. Not sure how many months since this was last started. And it started up. Okay. It's okay for me. A little fuel. Okay. That's good. Something was going the right way. Getting some bites. Shocking. Quite shocking. No fuel, but started. Now we are so shocked that we have to just drive it a little trip. Find me some closed off roads here. Hopefully we have gasoline enough. Hopefully. I can't understand this car. It just started up. Anti-locks say that they don't have a fuel, they don't have. But these are gone 370,000 kilometers. It's kind of shocking. It's not shocking that not everything works. Anti-lock brake system, I have some fault somewhere. Yeah. That was much easier than I was believing. Everything just started up and worked. Yeah. One plus point. Let's hope for some more other cars that they want to start up and can drive them just a little trip. That will help a lot. So, thank you. Please come back and see more of the others trying to start up more cars here now. I'm trying to start up one car I've been standing for many years. A little later. So, thank you. Please come back.